Store Manager for PrestaShop Categories and Products Overview. Store Manager for PrestaShop allows making product management operations quickly and easily. This video will show you how to apply custom filters, make mass changes to products, combinations, and features, and much more. Let's begin Store Manager for PrestaShop overview with product management possibilities that will boost productivity and efficiency of catalog handling. Let's have a look at how to customize a product grid, adjusting it with columns for improved filtering possibilities. You can use filtering options for each attribute in the grid, or use search to create a custom filter. For example, you can filter all products by specific criteria. Let's search all gray sneakers from our shop. Now a new filter can be created with search results. You can find it in the filter drop-down. It can be used for export and import as well. Now, we can use quick attributes filters. Let's find all products with quantity 0 and price less than 150 among filtered products. You can create as many filters as you need and simply switch between them. Now, when all filters are applied, let's select all filtered products and use Mass Product Changer to update them in bulk. For example, let's update the prices and quantity for selected products. Increase the price by 20% and set quantity to 10. Apply changes and check results instantly. You can also modify status, add or edit product details for selected items in bulk. Besides Mass Product Changer, you can also find Mass Combination Changer. See how to update the quantity for all product combinations with Mass Combination Changer. Just select combinations, set quantity, and apply changes. Also, here you can create or update features for selected products with Mass Features Changer. Select all products. Go to the Mass Changers and open Mass Feature Changer. Select the feature you want to add. Check Newly Added Feature in the updated products. Another useful option is Clear Product Data. For example, if you have generated features incorrectly and would like to remove them, use Clear Products Data. Check the Remove Product Features option and confirm mass removal operation. That's how easy it can be done. Also, you can assign categories to selected products in bulk. Select the products. Click to Assign Categories option and check appropriate categories. Now let's move to generators. Store Manager allows you to generate combinations, customizations, specific prices, and barcodes on the fly. Let's check some of them now. To generate combinations automatically, select all products that you want to update. Click the Product Combinations Generator. Select Attributes, set quantity and reference, and click to generate. As you can see, it is done in a few seconds. In the same easy way, product customizations could be generated. Select the products that you want to create customizations for. Use Products Customizations Generator. Add file and text fields, and click OK. Now check Created Custom Fields under the Customization tab for each product that you selected for update. If you want to set specific prices, you can use a generator to do this in bulk as well. Once again, select the products for the update. Use Add Specific Prices for selected product generator. Set needed conditions. And click OK. That's it. As you can see, specific prices were added. Now let's check how you can enrich your products with images in a fast manner. See how you can upload multiple images to multiple products from your computer. Drag and drop them from the folder on your computer, or directly from the browser. Images are uploaded in seconds. One of the most wanted features of Store Manager is export and import. Multiple file formats are supported, including CSV, XML, TXT, Excel, and Google Sheets. All product-related details, images, descriptions, attribute combinations, categories, stock levels, specific prices, features, attachments could be exported and imported. Also, you can run a separate import to update PrestaShop combinations only. All import and export tasks could be running automatically with the automated product import add-on. Finally, you can easily structure your category tree with multi-layered subcategories. To do so, use filters to find the needed category. Assign goods in bulk with drag and drop, or with categories import. The Store Manager has much more to offer you. If you have any specific questions, contact us and our support team will help you to find the best solution.